Alright, y'all. So tell me why I guess they Mexican. I got some Mexican roommates. And they don't know how to cook rice. What the fuck? What is this?
Damn, boy, that shit like the back of somebody's head.
What is this? Dude. Trent. What the fuck is this?
Fool, I do not fucking know. That shit ridiculous. It's a Mexican, bro. They don't know what the fuck they doing, bro.
How they Mexican and they don't know how to cook rice, bro?
Stupid ass nigga.
That's ridiculous.